CPT RVA, page 272, exercise 171, level 1. And reads like this.
Pathology and laboratory. Pathologist performs a postmortem examination, including brain of an adult. Tissue is being sent to the lab for microscopic examination.
Right. So this is a pathology and laboratory section of the CPT book. And the pathologist performs a post-mortem examination, including brain of an adult, and the tissue is being sent to the lab for microscopic examination. Okay? So we're going to count to 3 for you to pause the video and give us the CPT code for this problem. Okay? 1, 2, 3. All right. The answer is 88025. Did you get it? If you got it, then just go to the next video. If you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. All right, the first tip.
First, start with postmortem.
Postmortem, right? You take that from the text. It says postmortem there. And then the second tip.
Because the exam is microscopic, choose gross and micro exam.
Right, because the gross exam is always there. So they don't have to specify the gross, but the micro is the one that they have to specify, because the first option is just gross exam, the second is gross and micro, and the third are other options, but you have to, there's not an option for just micro exam, but there's one from gross and micro, so you choose that, gross and micro, okay? Okay, with these 2 tips, try to get the answer. I'm going to count to 3 so you can pause the video. You have to find the path, because you know the answer already, but the trick is to find the path, how you got to the answer. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a summary of the whole problem. The section is pathology and laboratory, and the problem reads like this. Pathologist performs a postmortem examination, including the brain of an adult. Tissue is being sent to the lab for microscopic examination. Okay, there's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to postmortem.
You start with postmortem, right?
You get to this path, C autopsy.
Yeah, it sends you to another place. It says C autopsy, right?
Yeah.
So you go there.
Autopsy.
And then?
Then you go to gross and micro exam.
Which is the only one that includes micro, right? So we choose that one. And what do we get?
88020 through 88029.
Right. There's a range of codes from 20 to 29. That's 10 numbers, but in reality there's only 5 codes, but you find that when you go to tabular, okay? So the code 1 through tabular is checked like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to tabular.
Then you go to 88020.
Right. You start with the first of the ranges of the numbers in the range, and what does it tell you?
Necropsy, autopsy.
Autopsy, right? So you keep looking because you need something else.
88025
is
with brain.
With brain. That's what we need. That's what's missing. We have found already our code, so that's the equal sign. So the answer is 88025. Okay? Thanks for watching, and please visit our website.